All right, so this is IXL FZJ, and it's creating line plots, histograms, box plots, and stem and leaf plots. So let's go ahead and trash all that. All right, so now it's like, okay, click. There's some data information for this histogram we have to complete, and it's not in order. Of course, it's not in order. So you could put it in order if you wanted to. There's 1, 2. This is we can just count it to answer the question. It's the fastest way. We're looking for the number of instances where the answer was 21 to 25. So 21 to 25. There's one. There's one. And there's one. There's 3 of them there. So we need to go boop, boop, up to 3 and submit that. All right. Here's some more information. Which plot best represents the data? Now let's see. Let's look. What are these things here? These little whiskers. This is the maximum, and this is the minimum, right? So they look like the one's at 3 and one's at 2, right? So that pretty much gives away the answer. The maximum here is 10. This is the biggest number. So right there. So that's 10 and that's 10. But the minimum is 4. But there's actually a 3 right here. There's 2 3s, as a matter of fact. Right. So right there, where the minimum, this little indicator right here is the minimum. That is going to be the best. Okay. So here's another one. The sandwich is sold. Okay. The minimums and the max, well, they're different. This one has 50 and 50, 150 and 150. Okay. They're the same. The median is both at 100. So which one has the data stretched further from the median? From this one to this one, or this one to this one? So we kind of have to look at, let's put this in order here. Let's go, let's see, 50, and then we have 66, 50, 66, and then 74, and 88, 88, and then there's 100, and then we have 113, 100 and, let's see, 109 is next, I think. 109 was after that, and then a 113, and then a 127, and then a 150, and then a 150. Okay, so what is the number of things we have, of data points? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 data points. So 9 divided by 2 is like 4.5, 4.5, and then the difference between 150 and 150 is 100. 100. Okay, so that's some information that's going to be helpful. So we're looking at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right in the middle of our data set, when it's like that, is 100. That is the median, which we identified both there and there. Okay, now we're looking at the quartiles. Okay, this is a 4 and this is 4. So this number, our quartile, our lower quartile is going to be in there. So 66 minus, or 74 minus 66, that's going to be 8. 8 divided by 2.
Baby, how do you do Netflix?
Okay, so 8 divided by 2, that equals 4. All right, so 4 plus 66 is 70. All right, so our second quartile is 70. So I don't need to figure out the other one. I'll do the same method, but it's going to be this one with 70. Okay, now here's a bunch of tack marks, and it's doing a line and our line plot, and we got to finish it. So 0, there were 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 2s are filled out, unless we better check it. 4 2s. Oh, no. Okay. And there's 9 of these. So we'll submit that. That was good. Okay. We got to fill out all the different sections. So there's 10 zeros. Presume that's 10. 9 1s. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 2 of those. And there we have a line plot. Okay, here's stem and leaf. Okay, so we're just figuring out all the ones that are in the 60s. There's a 61, a 65, and a 66. So we go 1, 5, and 6. And then the 8, there's 85 and 88. So it's going to be 5 and 8. And we'll see if I put those in right. All right, I did. Okay, so this is, hey, at least it's in the right order here. So what is in the 15 to 19 bin? So we're looking for numbers between 15 and 19 inclusively. So there's no 15s, there's no 16s. Here's a 17. I don't see an 18 or a 19, so there's only one. Like that. Okay, more bins. Oh, here's a bunch of 6s. Or line graphs, no, sorry. Number 5s. How many 5s we got? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those 5s. How many 10s do I got? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s. And that's that one. What? Did I miss wrong? What did I do wrong? Did I miscount? I miscounted. Which one did I miscount? I probably miscounted by 1. Okay, let's do another one. All right, another stem and leaf. So, what are the ones with 2? All right, so we got, this one is a 2 there. Next in the sequence is a 4. So how many do I have in the 20s? I got 28 and 23. We have a 3 and an 8. 3 and an 8. 23 and 28. And which ones do I have in the 40s? I got 40 and 45 and 46. So 40, 45, and 46. Well, it should be that one. Okay. All right, now I got to fill out all the different tables. They're not in order. Let's count the ones. All right, I got 1, 2, 3 ones. 1, 2, 3 ones. How many 2s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the way to the top. 10. How many 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many 4s? I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so 4 4s. Here we go. All right, let's skip ahead. So this is another one of those. So you do the same method. They both have the minimum and the maximum, so you can't use that method. They both have the quartile of 85. Excuse me, the median at 85, so you can't use the median. So you have to figure out the quartile values. So you just click those numbers in and put the quartile values in. Okay, same thing here. Same minimums, same maximums, same median, right? The upper quartile is different, so you just have to figure out which upper quartile is different. And that's it. All right, so that one should be it. And hopefully, if you need more help with that, watch this video.